Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is the 18th day of June 2021. You guys can see already on the screen, we're going to give you all a price prediction in the market for Cosmos. Atom is the ticker symbol paired against Tether. You guys can see even on our chart that we did a price prediction all the way back in the month of May. And here we are a month later, and the market is completely fallen from where we were last month. We're going to break all of this down. We're going to give you some predictions without being confused. We're going to give you all our ideas as to where the market is going to go so that we can be in position and dominate this space, so that we can win and profit into the market, all without being confused. So if you want to join us, you're more than welcome to. You can hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. We want to give you all a place to come to see some ideas and predictions without being confused. We're not going to give you any confusing jargon, any confusing technical indicators. We're not going to speak out of both sides of our mouth. We're here to give you a direction as to where the market is going to go so that we can all win. That's only for our community. And if you want to beat everyone else into the market, you have to join our team so that we can get ahead of everyone else and win. Okay. So last time we did our video in Cosmos was on May the 11th, 2021. You guys can see right here where my cursor is on the screen. This is where we anticipated the market in Cosmos to go higher in price. And you guys can see the next day, the market in Cosmos actually dipped. It dipped below our support area. But even in that situation, the market strength came through on the 13th of May. So even though the market passed our area of support, that still told us that following the weakness that came through on the 12th of May, the market did not close lower than that previous close. So that was a massive indication to us to tell us that, yeah, the market did endure some weakness and some selling, but there were enough interest into the market that the market did not completely drop out the sky. That's why you should have kept on the prediction in the market in Atom, because not long after, the market in Atom came on the 15th of May and actually has taken out our TP area right there around $28. Okay, so we did a price prediction on May the 11th. And right there on the 15th, so 4 days into the prediction, the market actually came to where we expected it to go. This is a massive indication to everyone who follows us to not use stop losses on these exchanges. Because if you would have had a stop loss right here around $24, you would have got stopped out. And then 2 days after you would have got stopped out, the market would have came to your ultimate TP price. So you'd have missed out on profit. So for us, what we tell everyone in our community is that you need to keep stop losses only to yourself. Don't place them on the order books on these exchanges, because they can see that and they will take those areas out right before they take the market to where you originally intended it. So what's the purpose of having stop losses if the market will go to your particular TP price like it did in this particular situation? So we just want to ensure that you all understand that when we do our price predictions, our price prediction shows us the areas of where we're looking for support and the areas of where we're looking for restriction, right? So 7.25% was garnered in our price prediction 4 days after we did the price prediction. And take a look at where we had our ultimate TP price at, right there at $28. And that is where the market started its selling. See, we didn't have our ultimate TP price all the way up here around 33. No, we didn't see that at that particular time. We saw that restriction coming through around 28, and that is exactly where the market topped out. And you guys can see where we've been since then. We've been all the way down here towards $12, right? So you can see that the market in Atom or Cosmos has lost half of its value from where we were a month ago. So let's go ahead and take this away and let's clean up this chart. All right, congratulations to those who was able to at least get that 7.25% out the market right before the market in Cosmos fell. So first things first, the market is not trading up here around $25. So our focus is going to be what has happened into the market in Cosmos since we came all the way back down towards $16 to even $15. Okay. Now we've seen this area in Cosmos act as restriction right here. We had two opportunities to see this market in Cosmos break above this line, and it did not do it. So that tells us that the majority of this volume of this trading, that the market is still weak. And I'll be the one to tell you that You know, you're not going to hurt my feelings. The market is what it is, and you can't do anything about it. I can't do anything about it either. The only thing that we can do is get in position and beat the trap to the price so that we can beat them. That's it. So he already told us on 2 occasions that he was unable to break the price in Atom above our restriction line now, $17.25. Okay. So we're going to hold that line there. We're going to use that to our benefit. Okay. Next thing I wanted to show you is, are we still following the market in Cosmos in an upward trend? Is this market in Cosmos in an upward trend? What do you think? Because you can kind of tell that we're not necessarily seeing this market in an upward trend in Cosmos anymore. We're not in an upward trend. That's another clue to you and to me to tell us that, yeah, the market may not be overly strong. So if anyone's telling you that the market in Cosmos is a buy or is strong, they have no idea what they're talking about, because that is not being reflected on the price chart. We strictly look at the price. And so far, the market is telling us that it's still weaker than it is showing us strength as of this moment. We're already down 8.5% right now in Cosmos. So we really need to make a determination. Is there strength coming to the market in Cosmos? Because the only thing that we've been going through into the market in Cosmos is just trading sideways. Now, that's a good thing only if we already see strength, and we're not seeing strength while this market in Cosmos has been trading sideways. This was our opportunity for us to really see some strength come through on this 3-day price bar. As you all can tell, it hasn't came through yet. So this environment in Cosmos is not bullish. Okay. This is the market on the 5-day time frame. And again, we're still seeing indications of market weakness here in Cosmos. I will still be expecting the market to trade sideways if we have that price close above $14. That would tell me that the market is still anticipated to trade sideways, and we're not there yet. So the weakness is definitely weighing in on the market. The 2-day time frame, you guys can see here that the market here is still weak. Now, the only thing that I can see that this market is going to try to do is try to hold support right here. Okay, which is right there around $11.50. That's the last hope to see this market continue to trade sideways. $11.50. Okay. So now let me show you all the weekly time frame into the market in Cosmos. And this definitely here is giving us a lot of weakness. Now we got 2 days and 8 hours left, but seeing the market in Cosmos unable to trade above $14, even all the way up here around $17.25, definitely puts a lot of weight on into the market. So we're going to play the weakness here in Cosmos. The market is not giving us a lot of strength. All these time frames that we're looking at, we're not getting any indications of market strength. So now let's do this. So originally I said the restriction area is around 14. But I'm going to bring it all the way up here towards that $16 area. And I'm going to take it all the way back down towards $10. Now, I would TP some of this profitability out the market in Cosmos right there around $11.38. Okay, in or around this particular area right here. And let me show you that this is where we would come through and TP out the market in Cosmos. Okay, right there, which is around $11.38. That will give us 8.25%, 8.4% profitability into the market. Now, what I'm going to do though is I'm going to extend it all the way back down to a clean even $10, because this is where the market lastly found some restriction. Okay. So we got our 2 areas of take profit. The first one is $11.38. The second one is going to be at $10. Okay. And that's it. So right now we're seeing the market in Cosmos still harnessing to us some weakness, and we're going to continue to play that. One thing you all will realize is that the price chart never lies. It is always displaying to us the truth. The only problem comes in to where we do our wrong interpretation of what these price bars mean. That's the only way we get it wrong. But what we see, it is what it is, right? It is the actual truth and what the majority of the market participants are feeling right now. So we're going to continue to follow what everyone is trying to do. And currently, the trap is telling us that the market is weak. So now you're part of our team. You're part of our community. I want you all to take the opportunity to call the market right alongside with us. Let us know, where do you simply see the price in Cosmos going? I mean, you don't have to be confused. We have done a 10-minute video right here without speaking any confusion to each and every one of you. So now's your turn. You need to learn how to do this for yourself. So now join us. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.